Hi there, this is Doc Monte, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting this channel, make sure that you tap on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play a game from one of the top earning apps called Baat. So what you do is you click the home tab and then you initiate a party, or you join a party that is being hosted by someone else. Either way, you still be able to play games, or you can actually go live and try to do a solo live. You'll still be able to access the games. So now let's do this. Let's kickstart a party. So here we go. You click go and boom, the party has been kickstarted. So for you to be able to access games, you need to click the games icon, which is amid of PK and the gift box tab, those that are in the bottom right corner. So when you click it, you'll see a couple of games, and then you go by Krazy Circus, the one which is in the bottom left corner. So it's loading. It's loading. Seems network is a little bit poor here. A little bit poor. But we are waiting patiently. Okay, there we go. There we go. Come on, circus. Come on, circus. Okay, beautiful. So here we are. The interface of the game is fully loaded. So what you do is you check in the bottom left corner. You see that tab which is labeled 9. You can actually click it to change the number of lines that should actually appear on the interface. So it has gone down to 1, meaning that when some animals or the heads of the animals are queued up within that one line, then you've won. So you can keep on tapping it to increase on the number of lines on the interface. The more the numbers you have on the interface, the greater the chances of winning. So you can leave it at 9. Then you check on the second tab labeled as cost. Even on cost, that one actually refers to the number of coins that you'll be betting on the game anytime you happen to spin. So if we click it, it goes to 10, meaning you need to multiply 10 coins by 9 lines and you're gonna be losing 900 coins. You tap it again, the number of coins will increase. This time around, when it goes to 100 as the cost, then 100 multiplied by 9 will be 900. And then you keep on adjusting that to a point where you feel, well, these are the coins you want to be losing anytime you spin. Remember, the greater the risk, the greater the payback. If you're playing at 9,000 coins per spin, if you win big, it's gonna be major win. So there are about 5 wins here. There are about 5 wins. There is win, there's big win, then there is a super win, then there's a jackpot. If you walk over with a jackpot, hey baby, it's something that is groundbreaking. But what you need to know is you play it at your own comfort. You measure the number of coins that you have, and then you leave room for losing. Because when you start spinning, you may spin it once, you may spin it twice, you may spin it the third time, the fourth, nothing is happening. Don't lose heart. Keep spinning. On the fifth, that's when maybe you begin to see some win. some wins here and there. So that's how we do it. So if you have to participate in the game, you simply hit spin, and then you check out what will be happening. So there's no major big time secret here. All you have to do is to spin and leave room for losing. And then when things begin to happen, you see that, well, this is the time when I need to go big, and then you adjust on the number of coins to bait on each spin. At times you may be given a bonus of maybe 6 spins, 10 pins, 10 spins rather, depending on how many times you've spun the heads of the animals. So that's how you do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be alerted. Thank you so much. This is Dog Mountain.